Guys, what's up? Took a little break from doing videos. Figured after that big tour, what are you going to follow that up with? So you see I've got these new Raw cards here. I really wasn't going to do this set. The breaks have been mixed that I've seen. But I was actually intending to do something else Saturday. It did not work out. Went to a Walmart. They actually only had hanger packs left. I was somewhat intrigued by that people had bought all these. So I went to a Target who ended up having tons of them. I want to say they had 12 boxes, which is way more than I was going to buy. But I did pick up 4 of them. So I'm going to do a couple in this video and a couple in another. I tried doing the whole weighing the box, seeing if I could feel if something was heavier, and kind of just gave up on that, so I'll get what I'm going to get. But yeah, I picked up 4 of these, so I'm giving it a little more of a chance than I did for Then Now Forever. We got a bronze Mark Andrews. Haven't seen him in a while. Got a Hometown Heroes of Bobby Roode. Sarah Logan. This looks like a parallel. Yep, 47 of 99. Renee Young parallel. Got a Goldberg Legends. Hometown Heroes TJP, who's not even there anymore. Got a bronze Tozawa. Psycho Sid. Hometown Hero, Baron Corbin. Don't know who considers him a hero. Grand Metalik. Drew. Dean Ambrose, also not there anymore. Road Dogg. Hometown Heroes, Curtis Axel. Dale Tommy, Tony Nese, Natalia, Lindsay Dorado. Looks like bronze, Ruby Riott. Bailey, Kayla Braxton. No Way Jose, who's nowhere to be found. Sasha Banks. Tyler Breeze. Got a Ronda Rousey tribute and a Hometown Heroes Ruby Riott. Liv Morgan, Heath Slater, Corey Graves, Brie Bella, Bronze Charlie, Classic Edge, and Buddy Murphy. Looks like we got 3 packs before our first hit. Yeah, I didn't really name those off. Sorry about that. We got Kurt Hawkins, Dana Brooke, Jonathan Coachman, Kurt Angle, Bronze Booker T, X-Pac, and Hometown Heroes Rhino. Speaking of Dana Brooke, it'll be interesting to see. Probably will lead nowhere. see if they do anything with her with Money in the Bank, and see if there's an outside chance that Sasha will come back, maybe be some kind of locker room layout thing, and she'll be in there. But right now, just seems like she's sitting out. And here are IC Champions cards. We got Ken Shamrock, The Godfather, Triple H, Razor Ramon, and our hit is looks like a bronze matte relic of Becky Lynch. It's a low number, 2 of 99. It's Becky Lynch, so who knows? It's from, I guess, last year's Money in the Bank. So, not a horrible pack. Let's open our second one. So, not a horrible pack, but at the same time, so far, and I do like to give these things a chance, but so far nothing that is encouraging me to buy more. Especially because I've got probably one of my biggest probably the biggest non-wrestling related thing I have all year coming up in June, just called Mego Meet. If you go back and look at some of my early Bronze Bailey, my early videos, you can see some of my collection there. And I may be doing another one soon. Probably going to actually mix it up pretty soon, give you guys something different. Since again, I do not plan on buying tons of this set at the moment. Pack is fighting me a little bit. Drink. Okay. Seth Rollins, Daivari, Brian Kendrick, Bronze, Brie Bella, Stone Cold, Hometown Heroes, Ronda Rousey. Another Rousey tribute, Hometown Heroes, Mark Andrews, again. I mean, we didn't get that card, but I did see him on another card. Tony Nese, Natalia, Lindsay Dorado, Gran Metalik, Bronze Corey Graves. Haven't really seen him in sets before, so that's something new. Gran Metalik, Hometown Heroes. Caleb Braxton, No Way Jose. Oh, there's Sasha. And we have a Hometown Heroes of Sasha Banks. Kind of mixed feelings as far as the situation with her. I would like to see her come back. I get that wrestlers get frustrated, but you know, that's how it is sometimes. You know, not everybody can be pushed at the top of the card. Could they use her better? Yeah, they could use a lot of people better. So hopefully they work something out. We got a Hitman IC card, which is, oh, it's a Legends card, excuse me. The Hometown Heroes of Jason Jordan. It looks like we got 2 packs before the hit. Dana Brooke, talked about her. Bronze, Liv Morgan. Legends, Rikishi. Hometown Heroes, The Big Show. If nothing else, I like doing the videos, and this is a new set, so I'm not opening the same cards for God knows how many times. Rousey Tribute, Hometown Heroes, Dean Ambrose. Let's get to our next hit. Got Edge, Diesel. These are all your IC Champion cards. Road Dogg, The Rock, and looks like another relic. And it looks like your base matte relic of Naomi. So, nothing special there. So that is it for this break. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back.